I'm Chucky. Wanna play? Hidey ho! Hello! How are my cutie cues doing today? I missed you so much. Today we are Chucky. You guys requested Chucky. Thank you guys so much for requesting Chucky. I had a great time doing this look. It took me some time. It was very detailed. Today we are having a Wendy's mukbang. I have a triple Baconator, and a Baconator has cheese, mayonnaise, ketchup on it, and bacon. I also am trying their jalapeno chicken sandwich. I also have a 10-piece spicy chicken nuggets with sweet and sour sauce and barbecue sauce, and I have a large fry, and to drink I have a sweet tea. You guys, I have not had Wendy's in a really long time, but Wendy's is one of my favorite fast food places to eat. I normally don't eat a lot of fast food, but if I do eat fast food, I'm definitely going for Wendy's, and I have not had it on my channel in a while, so I decided that I wanted Wendy's today. And we are as Chucky. I am hungry, you guys. I'm ready to dig in. And it just looks so funny. How are you guys doing? Oh, and you guys, you know I say this in every video. My nails are stained. I scrub them every day. I make sure that they're very clean. But with me doing this makeup every day, my nails get stained. Y'all, I'm hungry. Their sweet and sour sauce is one of my favorites. I think Wendy's has my favorite sweet and sour sauce. But their barbecue sauce tastes different. I feel like they changed the recipe. Triple Baconator. This is so good. I like extra mayonnaise on my sandwiches. I like to be able to taste the mayonnaise on the sandwich. I hope y'all are eating something good. This is delicious. Yes, their sweet tea is very good. Their nuggets are delicious. So you guys requested Chucky, and somebody said it was their childhood nightmare. I was never afraid of Chucky. I always thought Chucky was really funny. Like, it was just so dramatic in the acting. It's just hilarious. These nuggets are so good. Yeah, they definitely changed their barbecue sauce. It don't taste the same. Unless my taste buds are different, their barbecue sauce does not taste the same at all. Jalapeno chicken sandwich. It has jalapenos. It has onion straws, bacon, and chicken. I don't like that. Yeah, that's not my favorite. Y'all, we are on day 27 of our 31 days of Halloween. That is amazing. That is truly amazing. We're doing it. We're doing it. I cannot believe it's already on the 27th. I'm just so excited. So excited. We have definitely been on a journey. If you've been following this journey and haven't missed the video, thank you so much. Okay, I do have to admit, this is a little bit scary. This is definitely scary. But I don't think the movie is scary at all. I don't know, that's just me. But yes, you guys, it is day 27. I'm so excited. We did this together. And I am just so thankful and grateful to have such amazing, supportive supporters of mine. Thank you guys so much for your positivity. Thank you so much for your encouragement. If you guys are getting into the season, I hope you have an amazing time. We are going to continue to push. I want you guys to continue to push in your life and anything that you are going through. Push your way through no matter what. Don't let anything stop you. Don't let anything stop you. I don't care what it looks like. I don't care if it looks bad. I don't care what it looks like. Please keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. This month has taught me a lot about myself. It's taught me it really honestly just taught me to keep going. You know what I'm saying? To believe in yourself even harder. Take that for yourself and push your way through. Get up every day. I actually, and it's amazing because I just can't believe that it's already 27 days. And you know what, how they say like you get new habits after like 30 days. You know, to develop a new habit, it takes 30 days. They say something like that. I can't remember. But every day for 30 days, well, every day for 27 days, I have been getting up every morning at around 6 o'clock in the morning. And normally I didn't do that. I didn't get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I would get up maybe like, I don't know, 9, 10, whatever. But I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. I, you know, start doing the things that I got to do. And I start doing my makeup. There was times where I didn't even want to do my makeup. I have new habits now. So that's exciting. And yeah, I challenge you guys to do something and create new habits, positive habits, healthy habits. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I feel like I've been rambling a little bit, but I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to talk to you guys today. But I definitely want you guys to reach for the stars. I want you guys to keep fighting. I want you guys to never, ever, I don't care what you do, never, ever give up. Never, ever give in. Keep going, keep pushing, keep pressing. You don't know when your opportunity is going to hit. Let's just say you gave up. You know what I'm saying? Things was getting tough. It was, you know, you was going through this, you was going through that. And right when you gave up, that's pretty much when your blessing and your breakthrough comes. It's like the moment where you feel like giving up, like the last hour. So I want you guys to keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. This has been an amazing month for me so far. Amazing, 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 amazing. I couldn't have even, you know, just thought that things like that would happen. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 28, October 28, you guys. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.